I'm excited to share with all of you that Ripple has now processed more than nearly $30 billion worth of volume since launch and over 20 million transactions since we first launched RippleNet years ago. Our flagship product, on-demand liquidity, which is really RippleNet's crypto-powered solution for instant settlement.
Finclusive is a regulatory technology. Regulatory? Does that mean regulated? Yes, it does. Technology, reg tech company. They want you to know they're regulated. They say regulator and reg tech, lets you know twice because it's just that nice. Company recognizes the potential of the network like Stellar. It provides a fast, more efficient cost alternative for remittances and cross-border transfers. The pilot program serves as a practical example of the benefits that the Stellar network provides and blockchain broadly to offer individuals, businesses, and governments. Just in case, we cover everybody, Philly Brian. Bam, tell them, Philly Brian. It was like 10 going to 0. I remember when Bitcoin dropped to 14K, they were screaming 10K. They were like yelling 8K, 10K. They wanted to see Bitcoin fail so bad. Even people that was bullish on crypto, like, it's going to 8K, bro, 10K. I'm like, man, you better, 15K Bitcoin is the unbelievable price. And I was screaming get Bitcoin at 15, 14. And next thing, real good now. No, after Matthew Mellon pitched it to Trump. Now, this is Matthew Mellon who actually had the XRP. And this is why I always knew that crypto. I remember when I first got in crypto in 2017, 2018. And I read the article that Matthew Mellon was bullish on XRP. And I knew Mellon Bank was bullish on XRP. And I kind of knew it was like an insider trading kind of thing. And I'm not, hey, it's my opinion. Because basically, why would Matthew Mellon buy $1 million worth of XRP unless he knew his family was buying XRP or Matthew Mellon was So you know, Mellon Bank now got federal custody clarity. They can hold crypto. Mellon Bank, Matthew Mellon bought $1 million worth of XRP in 2016. He XLM #1, top 100 stellar tokens. 𝕊𝕚𝕟𝕜𝕤, hello, there's 𝕊𝕚𝕟𝕚𝕜, Mobius. Stronghold, we've been doing research on this. Here's Reload Network, which we talked about the other day. So basically, guys, you know I'm going to be going through here examining all these. Oh, there goes Lumen Swap token, LSP. Lumen Swap, we kind of been dived on this one a little bit. We did the research on AFRAM, AFR. That's him for sure. Founder, investor, operator, engineer, and guess what? President at MoonPay and ex-president at Coinbase. Damn. Yeah, counterpart. You see that? Look how big that is, guys. You know, so basically, the president of Coinbase or ex-president is now an advisor. Oh, he's a board of director at Stellar. I'm corrected. That's him for sure. Founder, investor, operator, engineer, and guess what? President at MoonPay and ex-president at Coinbase. Damn. Yeah, counterpart. You see that? Look how big that is, guys. You know, so basically, the president of Coinbase or ex-president is now an advisor. Oh, he's a board of director at Stellar. I'm corrected.
I hope you hold a little strong, 'cause we about to boom soon. I hope you hold a little strong, 'cause we about to boom soon. The road in limbo, staring out my window. I got the formula, stacked them bags up in simple, and wait until we explode. I'll meet you at the disco. We just getting started like an intro. 589 the numbers, please call our bingo. We the new heroes. Them trash coins you held went to 0.